Welcome back. In this lecture, we're exploring software as a service, commonly known as SaaS. We've already discussed infrastructure as a service IaaS and platform as a service PaaS. Now, let's move to the next category, software as a service or SaaS. SaaS is one of the most well-known types of cloud computing platforms. In fact, many of you have probably heard of it or are already using it. As you can notice, SaaS sits at the top of the cloud computing pyramid. SaaS is essentially a software solution delivered as service over the internet. SaaS software is typically licensed on a subscription basis. SaaS software are mostly executed directly within a web browser. This feature of SaaS eliminates need to install or download software in order to execute it. SaaS providers manages all the aspects of software, such as delivery and management, ensuring that service-level agreement is maintained. For example, software is available whenever or wherever customer needs it, and it performs as per the service-level agreement. Imagine you're using an email service like Gmail or Outlook.com. You don't install anything on your computer. You just open your browser, log in, and start sending emails. All the software, storage, and processing happen in the cloud, managed entirely by the provider. That's SaaS in action. You simply use the application over the internet without worrying about how it runs, gets updated, or stays secure. Let's look at a real-world example of software as a service from a cloud provider. Microsoft 365, offered by Microsoft Azure, is a prime example of SaaS. It provides cloud-based access to applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. Users don't install or manage the software themselves. They simply access the apps through a web browser or desktop client, while Microsoft handles all updates, maintenance, and data security. Another example is Google Workspace, which includes Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, and Meet, delivered entirely over the internet and fully managed by Google Cloud. Salesforce is another leading SaaS solution. It offers a full-featured customer relationship management (CRM) platform, accessible through the web and maintained completely by Salesforce. Users can manage customer data, track sales, and generate reports without installing any software. With SaaS, users get complete, ready-to-use applications without dealing with infrastructure, platforms, or installations. To summarize, SaaS delivers fully functional software applications over the internet. SaaS is typically offered through a subscription-based licensing model. SaaS providers manage all aspects of software delivery and maintenance. SaaS applications are typically accessed and run through a web browser. No installation or maintenance needed on the user's device with SaaS. It can be up and running quickly, as no installation is typically required on the client side. Scalability is built into the architecture, allowing the system to scale as needed. To wrap up, SaaS means software that's always ready, accessible online, and managed entirely by the provider.